Another really cool feature is that you can set so-called attributes. There's two different types of attributes. You can either let them act as a variable, or you can use them to structure your document further. For the second, we simply go into the document header, and there we can already find the first attribute that structured our document, icons font. If we want, for example, to add another attribute, we can use a table of contents. For this, I simply, because I happen to know the syntax, I simply type in colon, TOC, colon, table of contents, and that's it. Now you can see that each heading is showing in the table of contents. It will also dynamically update whenever you make any changes to the document. So for example, if I type in heading number 2, you can see it in a preview in the first spot. But let's now focus on the first type of attributes, the variables, because this is a truly powerful feature. Sometimes you have text that is repeated in your document, but you don't want to manually type it in every single time. That can be the case, for example, for version numbers of your software. However, version numbers obviously at some point change because the software develops further, or we develop the software further. In that case, I don't want to type it in manually and change it manually in every single instance. So therefore, this is what we are going to do. We go into the document header again. We write a new attribute, which is a custom attribute. We build it ourselves and name it version number. Another column, and now we can, behind the last column, add text that will be used to replace the variable. So let's say we're in version 1.1. And now, obviously the attribute itself is not showing anywhere yet because I haven't placed it yet. So therefore we go somewhere in our text. For example, we split up the lorem ipsum. In one line, we write curly brackets, and we can already see adoc is suggesting version numbers to be placed here. I simply hit enter, and you can see in the preview 1.1 is showing. Obviously 1.1 itself doesn't really make sense, so I'll write some text before our variable, adoc studio version 1.1. Now I can simply place the variable wherever I want, how many times I want, it doesn't matter. It will always be the same as it is in the definition. But now we say, okay, version 1.1 has passed, we're to the next development stage, we're maybe at version 2.36, I don't care. And you can already see in the preview, the version number itself automatically updated itself to this new number. Super cool, and it helps you to really reduce the maintenance of your documents.